Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the back button and keep holding it for about 10 seconds, basically until you see the Polar logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the back button, keep holding it. And once you see the Polar logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see the watch face again, this means that the watch booted into a system. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.